somewhere is my dog. Beauty, 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 kus läksid? Tule välja sealt. Oh.
There is that idea that people have different kind of needs. Some are very practical and some are more about who you are. I always felt like I would like to leave some kind of mark, even small one. If I had cows, they did the actual work to village look well kept, just by eating grass. I always like to do work what keeps me grounded. And I think to creating this place here, it's a kind of mix of self-expression and basic needs. And I feel like my plans with the garden are for sure already self-expression more than need, because I actually don't need flowers. I need veggies, but still I plan to plant more flowers than veggies. And I feel this making videos is a form of self-expression too. I still searching my way. I am learning how to do it. Do it my way and do it with good quality. And I feel like learning new things in my age it's definitely very good, because it's keep me moving, it's keep me moving forward. So there is need to create something to express myself. And actually there is need to have connections. It's personal, because I live alone with my dog, and I really feel like I can find connection with you. And I really like to have visitors in my channel who are it's cheesy but little bit similar, or at least who can understand my way. So in this way I can feel connection with you if you leave some comments or if you at least watch my videos. Esther. Here is probably something what I could use for my shelf. I need to measure them, but looks like they can fit. This winter is for me mostly about learning. And I don't know, is my lifestyle too different? Maybe. But for sure, we all have this need to create something. I believe. There is so many different forms. With building, I am definitely more big pieces person than in details. And this is a little bit funny. And if I feel sorry for something, I feel a little bit sorry I don't have artistic hand. So what do you think about creativity and self-expression? What kind of ways you find? What is important? I am curious. Curiosity is definitely one of my sides of my personality. And this keeps me moving forward too. Please tell me.